Hi, I am Subhajit. Today's topic, some theory discussion about simple interest. First of all, when we borrow some money from a bank or some money lender, for a certain time period, then we have to pay some extra money along with that borrowed money. This extra money is known as interest or simple interest. Which denote as SI, simple interest. Then the borrowed money is known as principal, which P. Next, the period for which the money is borrowed is called time. This is very important. The fixed percentage at which interest is calculated for a certain time period is known as rate of interest. Next, we find that sum of principal is equal to total amount. Therefore, A is equal to, we got that A is equal to P plus SI. A for total amount, P for sum of principal, SI for interest or simple interest. Then SI simple interest is equal to, this is the formula of simple interest. SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. This is the simple interest. P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, and T is equal to time period. And this 100 is rate of interest is the interest on every 100 rupees for a fixed time. This time is always taken accordingly to rate of interest. When rate of interest or R is given per month, then time should be in month. When rate of interest is given per year, then time should be in year. Formula of simple interest. Therefore, P is equal to SI into 100 by RT. T is equal to SI into 100 by PR. Rate of interest is equal to simple interest into 100 by P into T. 1, 2, 3, 4. This four formula. Next, we find the simple interest on a loan of rupees 2500 at the rate of 5% per year for 3 years. Here we got given data. T is equal to 3 years. R is equal to 5%. Principal P is equal to rupees 2500. Find the simple interest. Therefore, we put the formula. Simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to rupees 375. This is the answer. Yes. Find the rate of interest at which a sum of money will double itself in 10 years. R is equal to what? Given data, time is equal to already given 10 years. Let be principal is equal to x. 2x, simple interest is equal to amount minus principal is equal to 2x minus x is equal to x. Put the formula, therefore SI is equal to PRT by 100. SI is equal to x is equal to this is the answer. Rate, find the rate of interest. Rate of interest is equal to 10%. Question number 3. In how much time will the interest be 3 by 5 of the principal at the rate of 5% per annum? Given data, R is equal to 5%. Let be P principal is equal to x. Interest is equal to 3 by 5 of x is equal to 3x by 5. We put the formula of simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. T is equal to 100 into SI by P into R. P is equal to x, R is equal to 5. Therefore, T is equal to is equal to 12 year. This is the answer. Question number 4. Mr. Das took a loan from a bank for 2 years at the rate of interest 13 by 2% per annum. He had to pay rupees 3900 as interest at the time of repaying the loan. Find the amount of the loan he took from the bank. Data given. We put the formula SI is equal to PRT by 100. Find the amount, the loan he took from the bank. P is equal to what? Therefore, P is equal to 100 into SI by RT. SI is equal to this is the answer. Question number 5. Find the principal that will amount to rupees 8480 in 3 years at the rate of 2% per annum. R is equal to 2%, time is equal to 3 years. A is equal to 8480. Let be principal is equal to x. We know that A is equal to P plus SI. SI is equal to 8480 minus x. 8480 is the amount. This is the amount, total amount. And x is the principal. Then we put the formula of SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. SI is equal to 8480 minus X is equal to P for X, R for 2, T for 3 by 100. This is the principal, and interest is equal to A minus P, 480 rupees. A sum of money amounts to rupees 300 in 5 years, and the interest is 1/4 of the principal. Find the principal and the rate of interest. R is equal to what? P is equal to what? Then let be P is equal to X. SI is equal to P of 1/4 X by 4. Put the formula. SI is equal to PRT by 100. SI is equal to we know that A is equal to SI plus P. A is equal to amount 300 rupees. SI is equal to X plus 4. X by 4, sorry, P is equal to X. Therefore 5x by 4 is equal to 300. X is equal to this is the principal. This is the principal X. Interest is equal to $600. And next question, rate of interest. We put the value formula of SI is equal to PRT by 100. Therefore R is equal to SI into 100 by PT. SI is equal to 600 into 100 by P is equal to 2400. T is equal to 5 years. Therefore rate of interest is equal to 5%. This is the answer. Ram and Rahim invest rupees 6,000 and rupees 7,000 respectively at the same rate of interest per annum. If at the end of 4 years Rahim gets rupees 600 more interest than more than Ram, find the rate of interest. Again, Ram and Rahim invest rupees 6,000 and rupees 7,000 respectively at the same rate of interest per annum. If at the end of 4 years Rahim get rupees 600 more interest than Ram, find the rate of interest. Ram invest 6,000 rupees, Rahim invest 7,000. Time equal to 4 years. For Ram, SI is equal to PRT by 100 R is equal to T is equal to 4 by 100 SI is equal to 240 R. For Rohim, SI is equal to PRT by 100. P is equal to 7000 into R into 4 by 100, 280 R. And next, tell that after 4 years, Rohim gets rupees 600 more interest than Ram. As per question, 280 R minus 240 R is equal to 600. Therefore, 40 R is equal to 600. R is equal to find the rate of interest. This is the answer. A sum of money invested at 6% per annum amounts to 944 in 3 years. How much would it amount to in 6 years at 15/2% per annum? Again, a sum of money invested at 6% per annum amount to rupees 944 in 3 years. How much would it amount to in 6 years at 15/2% per annum? Here, let be principal X, A amount rupees 944. We know that A is equal to P plus SI simple interest. Simple interest is equal to A minus P X. We put the formula. Rate of interest 6%, time 3 years. Rupees 100. Let principal, we got the principal equal to rupees 100. Next, how much would it amount to in 6 years at rate of interest 15/2% per annum? I is equal to simply equal to PRT by 100, P is equal to 800, R is equal to time is equal to 6 years, rate of interest 15/2 by 100. Simply 360 rupees. Total amount is equal to P plus I. P is equal to I is equal to 360. This is the answer. Total amount rupees 1160. Thank you. Bye.